there is a quiet power in patience. A power most people ignore. Because in a world that moves fast, patience feels like weakness. Waiting feels uncomfortable. Slowing down feels wrong. Not seeing results immediately feels like failure. But nature doesn't rush. And the strongest creatures on this planet win because they wait. Look at the lion. It doesn't chase everything it sees. It doesn't waste energy trying to catch every opportunity. It waits, hidden, focused, still. Minutos pass, sometimes hours. Movement, no panic, just patience. And then, in one moment, it strikes, powerfully, precisely, and it succeeds. Now look at the eagle, high above the chaos. It doesn't flap, wildly trying to control everything. It glides. It trusts the wind. It waits for the right current. And then it rises higher than any other bird. Effortlessly. The spider builds its web with precision, then waits. No rush, no chasing. It trusts the process. Because it knows what it built will eventually bring results. The tiger doesn't announce itself. It moves slowly, silently, every step calculated. It understands something most people don't. Speed without timing is failure. And then there's the bamboo tree. For years, nothing happens. No visible growth. No results. No proof that anything is working. But beneath the surface, roots are growing, expanding, strengthening, preparing. And then one day, it shoots up rapidly, faster than anything around it. That's patience. Not doing nothing, but preparing everything. Now look at your life. You start something and expect results immediately. You try once and give up. You work for a few days and question everything. But real growth doesn't work like that. Patience is not waiting lazily. It's working consistently, without immediate reward. It's trusting the process, even when you don't see progress. The problem is, you've been trained to expect instant results, instant success, instant recognition, instant gratification. But anything meaningful takes time. A lion doesn't get food instantly. An eagle doesn't reach the highest sky instantly. A tree doesn't grow overnight. So why do you expect your success to be different? You quit too early. You stop before things start working. You doubt before results appear. And that's why you feel stuck.
Patience requires strength. More strength than action. Because action is easy when you feel motivated. But patience requires belief, discipline, control. There will be moments when nothing is happening. When your work feels invisible. When progress feels slow. That's where most people fail. Not because they're not capable, but because they're not patient. The farmer plants seeds and doesn't dig them up every day to check if they're growing. He waters them, protects them, waits, because he understands something powerful. Growth is happening, even when you can't see it. That's exactly what's happening in your life right now. Every effort you make, every skill you build, every time you stay consistent, you are growing, even if no one sees it. even if you don't feel it. Patience also means control. The ability to stay calm when everything inside you wants to rush. The ability to stay focused when distractions pull you away. The ability to keep going when results are delayed. Most people lose not because they lack talent, but because they lack patience. They chase quick wins. They jump from one thing to another. They abandon the process too soon. But those who win stay. They endure. They trust. They continue. The cheetah may be fast, but it doesn't sprint endlessly. It waits for the perfect moment because it knows timing matters more than speed. You don't need to rush your journey. You need to respect it. You don't need to force success. You need to build it. Patience protects you from mistakes, from rushing into the wrong decisions, from reacting emotionally, from quitting too soon. When you develop patience, you develop power. Because now, you're not controlled by time. You're not pressured by comparison. You're not shaken by delays. You become steady, focused, unstoppable. Right now, you're in a phase. Maybe it's slow. Maybe it's frustrating. Maybe it feels like nothing is working. But that doesn't mean nothing is happening. Remember the bamboo tree. Remember the lion waiting. Remember the eagle gliding. Remember the spider trusting its web. Nature doesn't rush. And yet, everything gets done. Your life is no different. So, instead of asking, why is it taking so long? Ask yourself, am I consistent enough to deserve the result?
Because patience is not about time. It's about consistency. It's about discipline. It's about trust. And once you understand that, everything changes. You stop panicking. You stop doubting. You stop rushing. You start building. You start growing. You start becoming. Because the truth is simple. Anything worth having takes Jimmy. So slow. Not your effort, but your expectations. Keep working. Keep building. Keep showing up. Even when it's quiet. Even when it's slow. Even when no one notices. Because one day, just like the bamboo, just like the lion, just like the eagle, everything will come together. And when it does, it will all make sense. So trust the process. Trust your growth. Trust your journey. And most importantly, be patient.